we're shifting our focus to the Parliament, the second leg of the budget session. And like I said before, as the House reconvenes today, all eyes are going to be on the no confidence motion brought in by the opposition against the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. So while the opposition is going hammer and tongs against the Speaker, accusing him of a partisan conduct, not allowing the opposition MPs to speak, the Prime Minister, on the other hand, was all praises for the Lok Sabha Speaker, Mr. Om Birla. The Prime Minister said he's someone who conducts the entire House with a lot of dignity and grace, has a lot of patience, and handles unruly MPs really well. Always a smile on his face.
ओम बिरला जी जितने शानदार सांसद हैं, उतने ही बेहतरीन लोकसभा अध्यक्ष भी हैं। वे आज किसी पक्ष के सदस्य नहीं हैं, वो पक्ष प्रतिपक्ष से पूरी तरह ऊपर है। और मैं देख रहा हूं, जब उनको सदन में देखता हूं, कि वो लोकसभा अध्यक्ष के तौर पर भी एक अच्छे मुखिया की तरह सबको साथ लेकर के चलने की भूमिका में रहते हैं। और कभी कभी कुछ बड़े घरानों के अहंकारी, उत्पाती अगर कोई छात्र आ भी जाते हैं, वो अपना हुड़दंग करने की आदत तो छोड़ते नहीं है, तो भी वो सदन के मुखिया की तरह सबको संभालते हैं।
Let's go across to Pragya, who's joining us in the broadcast with more details. A massive showdown expected, all eyes on the motion for removal of the speaker brought in by the opposition.
Absolutely, Swati, and we are also hearing that there are going to be protests by the opposition outside and inside the House. They will continue with their, previous demand of Prime Minister speaking on various issues, including US, and also the test in the campaign that they have launched against Prime Minister, calling him compromised. That we are going to see that they are going to continue with that. But apart from that, yes, absolutely, the no confidence motion has been brought in by opposition, and there is going to be a debate. In fact, treasury benches are also ready with their defense of Mr. Om Birla, who is also Lok Sabha Speaker. He also will be sitting in the treasury benches today, and he will take the chair only when this debate and motion is settled. And in fact, this is also one of the incident that has hurt Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla very much. And he said that I have been more than willing and forthcoming with opposition MPs, and in fact, they have been very regular at my chamber, and I have been accepting the demands. But even after that, if they politicize, regarding the politicized situation regarding the constitutional post like Lok Sabha Speaker, then be it, and there will be a debate. And before that, there will be a statement by Mr. Jaishankar on the situation in West Asia, which is very crucial, as opposition is also demanding from the government a statement on the situation and where we stand today in this whole conflict.
Right. Right. So multiple issues, but primarily the focus is going to be on the motion brought in by the opposition against the speaker. Pragya, do stay on with us. So last month, a formal notice was brought in by the opposition seeking the removal of Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. Their allegation is that the speaker acted in a partisan manner, did not allow the opposition MPs, including the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, to speak when he was quoting from the unpublished book, the unpublished memoir of former Army Chief General Naravne. Let's listen into the reactions from the opposition.
That is definitely the biggest reason for this non-confidence motion. Basically, our argument is that government is pressurizing speaker to anti-democratic parliamentary activities. This is what our complaint. There are parliamentary conventions and procedures. Government is trying to sabotage all the parliamentary conventions and precedents through Honorable Speaker Om Birla ji. He is a good man, basically. But his action is only on the pressurization of government happened. This thing has to be exposed.
All partition people, tainted people, tainted leaders, corrupt leaders are defended by PM. And I'll just give one instance of Ajit Pawar. Of course, he's no longer now. He slammed the charge of 70,000 thousands crores in embezzlement. And of course, he loved so much that in a week's time he was inducted as a deputy chief minister there in Maharashtra. And of course, Mr. Birla is doing partition all out. Everybody knows it. He has to defend him.
वो विषय दिल्ली में तय होगा और ऑल पार्टी बैठक जब होगी या हमारे इंडिया गठबंधन के सहयोगी लोग बैठेंगे उसमें तय करेंगे. उससे जहां जो निकल करके आएगा वो हम सब लीडर्स तय करेंगे. लेकिन इधर हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि हमारी विदेश नीति भी विदेश तय कर रहा है और लगता तो ये है कि जो फैसले लिए जा रहे हैं कोई गिरवी गारंटी योजना भारत चला रहा है कि हम हर चीज पे दूसरी की तरफ देख रहे हैं और दूसरा जैसा डिक्टेट कर रहा है वैसे हम चल रहे हैं. शायद इतना बड़ा देश बीजेपी ने इतना कमजोर कर देगी या कम कर दिया है कोई सोच नहीं सकता था.
The set of reactions that you heard from the opposition gives you a sense of the wide ranging topics that the opposition plans to raise in the House. This morning we are joined by JVC Sriram, political strategist. We have Tushar Gupta.